Good morning guys, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today over on a lovely quiet cul-de-sac just a stone's throw from Monton High Street on Montonmill Gardens. As you can see, we've got a corner plot, lovely train-free property. It comes complete with off-road parking. You've got the garage just at the bottom. Now the house has been fully renovated throughout. You just need to finish off putting your own carpets in. So a brand spanking new kitchen, new bathroom, rewired, replumbed, new boiler, everything is brand new. So as you saw, I've come through the entrance hallway there. You've got the small artificial lawn as we come in into this spacious lounge, and then seamlessly flowing from here is this fabulous Wren fitted kitchen. Plenty of storage cupboards here. You've got space there for your washing machine, fridge, freezer, wall and base units. Got the electric hob and oven, additional storage through here, create a little pantry, put a tumble dryer in if anyone needs one, and then out onto the rear garden. Once again, you've got the paved patio, the artificial lawn, and side access back out to the front, as well as into the garage. Now as we head up to the first floor, you've got three fabulous bedrooms, that brand new modern bathroom suite with shower over the tub. You've got additional storage on the landing and access into the loft space also. As I mentioned, we are close to Monton Village, and it's an array of shops, bars and restaurants that we've got there. Literally just a short walk, you'll be there in 5-10 minutes max. Beautiful scenic walks also down the Worsley Loop line, Bridgewater canal, which you can access off the lovely development here. So we'll start at the top of the stairs, this beautiful modern bathroom suite. So as I said, you've got the shower above the tub, vanity unit, you've even got the shaving plugs there as well. Bedroom 2 overlooking at the rear garden. Your loft access, a little bit of storage surrounding that new Ruster boiler. Master bedroom overlooking the front here. And then lastly, once again at the front, you've got the box room. Nice generous size, fit a single in here, but for many this would just be the home office. Lovely and quiet. Because of the positioning of the property, you only get people who live on that small cul-de-sac passing your house. You are well served by fabulous local amenities as well as brilliant transport links. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing of this lovely brand new home, then please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.